Valens Research, Uniform Financial Analytics.
mRNA, Moderna obviously has been in the news for the last year because of the fact that it's created one of the four main vaccines in the Western world for COVID, right? Its technology is based off of messenger RNA, which is an innovative technology. The really powerful thing about mRNA, though, about the company, Moderna, when we look at it, is these charts already show you probably what you think I'm going to highlight. But the incredible thing about Moderna is when you look at this company, you'd think this company was hemorrhaging money on an as reported basis. As reported EPS for this company last year in 2020 was negative $2 basically. It was negative $1.55 in 2019, and it actually dropped. It got worse in 2020, even while the company had all this money flowing in from the US government for all of their R&D and for the development of the vaccine. And you'd say, what on earth is going on? Well, the reason why is because distortions around things like R&D misrepresent this company's performance. In 2019, its EPS wasn't really negative $1.55, it was negative 40 cents. And in 2020, it actually was a profitable business. Earnings were actually $1.03. They weren't negative. And we can see this with the uniform accounting returns too. Look at this. This company isn't a negative return business that we're waiting to turn positive and hoping it makes money from its vaccines and everything else. It's actually already a profitable business. It was in 2020, and in 2021, it's forecast to be more profitable. And the market is basically pricing this company's returns going forward to be around 10% going forward, basically below where they were in 2020. So if we think we're going to need a COVID vaccine booster every single year and Moderna is going to make it, well, that's a pretty good business for Moderna that we're not pricing in. If we think that all of the leap forward that they had from investment in mRNA technologies in the last year means people are going to be more comfortable in terms of, and the FDA is going to be more comfortable in terms of approving other mRNA technology vaccines and other treatments, well, they're going to make a lot more money. And we can realize that that doesn't mean that we're waiting for profitability to inflect. We can realize that using uniform accounting, that just means that we need a business that is already profitable, that already made $1 a share in earnings last year and generated a 16% ROA last year. We just need that company to keep on being profitable, to just be fairly valued, even undervalued. That totally changes the conversation about how we analyze this business. And that is the incredibly important thing of why you can't trust as reported metrics and why you have to, like the investment greats, like Warren Buffett, like Seth Klarman, like Marty Whitman, and all of the others, you have to use uniform accounting, cleaned up accounting standards if you're going to analyze companies, or else you're missing what the market's actually paying attention to.
Valens Research, the world's leading source for uniform financial analytics.